7 best networking advice for students and young people. Fred, not his real name, has changed jobs 3 times the past 6 years. While at it, he has rejected more than 4 other jobs. Recently, he told me about a company he's currently negotiating with. If all goes well, he will be going home with $67,000 per year, plus other benefits, including working 3 times a week. Think about it. In a market where many graduates are either unemployed or underemployed, here is someone rejecting job offers and negotiating with confidence. If you are wondering what makes Fred outstanding, it's his ability to network effectively, and the good news is that anyone can develop effective networking skills just like Fred. Networking is essentially the process of nurturing mutually beneficial relationships with the right people. In this video, we share with you the best advice for students and young people to develop their networking skills. Stop thinking about networking. Networking is not about handing out complimentary cards at events. It's about building genuine relationships. Now think about it. If you need a service to fix an immediate problem, do you reach your box of complimentary cards, or do you call a friend and ask for referral? If you're like most people, you would most likely call a friend and ask if they know someone, right? And if this friend recommends someone she knows, you are more likely to trust that person for the job, right? A rich person can fly from UK to South Africa to attend a business or political associate's mother's burial. It's not because rich people don't know what to do with their money. It's because they value and make the effort to nurture relationships. So, the first step to developing your networking skills is to stop thinking about networking as some corporate slogan. Networking is the art of building mutual beneficial relationships. The key word here is relationship. Start from your school. Ever wonder why C students end up employing A students? It's because while the typical A student devotes all his school life on academics, the typical C student is developing people skills. School is a good place to build strong relationships. Some of the greatest companies of our time were built by people who met on campus. Facebook, Google, Instagram were all started by schoolmates. Next time you're thinking about cursing your roommates and looking for words to disagree on, ask yourself, would this be a good person to start a multi-million-dollar business with? Instead of being the loner that is just in school to read and pass exams, look out for like minds you could do great things together with and build relationships with them. Get involved in campus activities. If you're still in school, it's an opportunity to join professional and social organizations on campus. Attend campus events and fairs, volunteer and take up responsibilities that will require you to meet and talk to people. This will put you in different social circles where you get to meet other students and potential mentors. You can do that and still graduate with excellent results. Get an internship even if you are not paid. The easiest way to get a job is to walk up to a potential employer and offer to work for free to learn. Stay with me. Let me ask you a question. Would you rather be jobless for 3 straight years or take a free job for 9 months and then get paid from the 10th month? A close friend got into a company of his choice by offering to work for free. By the 6th month, he was offered a reasonable salary. His salary was doubled within 18 months. With the experience and network he gained, he had gone ahead to start his own company. All happened within 4 years. You are likely not to have the same experience, but it can only get better. Instead of idling around during holiday or waiting for the dream job, go out there and get the icebreaker internship position. Go to events related to your interest. I am not a fan of networking events. I believe if an event is created with networking as the sole purpose, It tends to be too artificial to attract genuine interest. People go there to dish out complimentary cards that no one cares to look at a second time. Instead of going to events to just give away complimentary cards to show you were present, go to events with the intention to learn and to meet like minds. If you're interested in artificial intelligence, you want to be found at an event on AI, and while you are there, meet and really get to know people. Have something to offer. Seek first to help. A study shows that 85% of people at networking events forget the name of the person they just met after 5 seconds. Okay, I made up the statistics. But think about this. Who are you more likely to remember? The person who kept going on and on about his awesome business and why you should buy his products, or the person who listens and asks you specific questions about what you do? The latter person, right? Your goal when you meet someone for the first time should be to get to know and to find out how you can help. That is how you build genuine relationships. Leverage your existing contacts. Networking is like a web. At least that's what it should be. It's all connected. Think about how social media recommend people you should connect with based on people you already know. It's like some web, isn't it? Most people tend to network in isolation. Don't wait until you need the help of people you know before you engage them. If you met someone at an event who needs the service your friend provides, introduce them. If you meet a smart programmer and you know someone looking to hire his exact skill set, offer to introduce them. Everyone has a network you can start leveraging today. To grow your network, share your network. Bonus advice: the internet is a great place to start honing your networking skill. Start building an online presence, create an online portfolio, start a blog, update your LinkedIn profile, be visible online, and look out for people you could meet and exchange value with. Your alumni might have a Facebook or WhatsApp group. Such groups are one of the best places to get insider information on jobs or great recommendations. Join to meet people and connect. Now that you are armed with this practical advice, be deliberate with creating and nurturing your relationships. What's one thing you are taking away from this video? Tell us in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share with someone. In the spirit of networking, if you are yet to subscribe to our channel, this is likely the good time to subscribe. Until next time, your success matters.